This is a sketchbook, and according to some people, I should be practicing and drawing in this every day. So it begs the question, should you or shouldn't you be practicing drawing every single day? Well, as an artist of 40 years, I can honestly tell you, no, you shouldn't be drawing and practicing in your sketchbook every day. Stick around and I'll tell you why. So while we're talking about it, I'm going to be drawing this photo of this lovely Welsh bridge. Right, so it's an old question, isn't it? Should you practice every single day? Do you need to practice every single day to become an artist? Well, a lot of artists will tell you yes, you do, but honestly, you really don't. For a start, most people haven't got time to draw every day. They have time restraints like family and work commitments and things like that. So they couldn't draw every day, even if they wanted to. I've been drawing for 40 years and I can honestly say I haven't drawn every single day. But what I do every single day is I think about drawing. For example, I might be out having a walk, I might see a tree that's lit up nicely with the sun and casting nice shadows, and I look at it and I think, how would I draw that? How would I shade those shadows in? What about those bark textures on the tree? How would I get that texture with graphite? Or I might be just sitting at home and I look at a dining chair or just something simple like that and I look and think, how would I draw those wood textures on that chair? Could I get the light and darks on it just with graphite? I start thinking about drawing and that actually leads to drawing. I honestly think if you're just drawing every day as some kind of self-discipline because you've heard that that's how you get good at drawing, eventually it becomes tedious. You get fatigued and eventually it leads to burnout. If you're just sitting there mindlessly drawing every day because you feel you have to, it's no fun. Drawing should be fun. If you want to get the most out of your drawing, draw every day if you've got the time, if you've got the inclination and the energy to do so, that's fine. But if you haven't, don't feel bad about it. It's not that important that you draw every single day. What is important, you have fun and enjoyment, because that is what keeps you returning to your sketchbook or your drawing board. Not the fact that you feel you have to, that you keep telling yourself you have to. Like I say, that will just lead to burnout and it's no fun. So that's my take on it. Let me know in the comments what you do. Do you draw every single day? Does it help you? Do you get burnout from it? Or are you one of these people like me? You draw when you're inspired because it's fun. Let me know in the comments. Thanks very much for viewing and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.